records of how schools have been performing and which schools have been taking trophies. 2013, we were not in charge, but secondary games were hosted in Gulu at region, and the first regional champion, it was only boys, girls were not yet there. The first regional champion was Restore Leadership High School. In 2014, that is when we came in. From Agago was Bishop Angelo Negri College for boys and Guru High School for girls. In 2015, we were in Kitgum, where St. Joseph's College Laibi for boys was champion, and Restore Leadership High School for girls. In 2016, we were in another where Negri College was champion for boys, and Sacred Heart Girls School was champion for girls. 2017, again we were in Batwa, where Bishop Angelo Negri College again was champion, and girls Restore Leadership High School. In 2018, we were in 𝕃𝕒𝕪𝕚𝕚, St. Joseph's College, Laibi, boys, Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School for girls. 2019, in my district, Amoro, in Pabo SS, St. Joseph's College, Laibi, champion, Sacred Heart Girls School, champion for girls. The 2 years for Corona, forgotten. Last year we were in Guru City, hosted by Sacred Heart. And Restore Leadership High School boys were champion, and Akwang SS from Akago was champion for girls. Unfortunately, as you were told this time round, when they came here, every school wanted to stay close to Akwang to see if they can also get the trophy. Eventually, Akwang group stage by district, Bagungu region. And I think that has been very competitive, and it sets a good precedent for all of us. 2023 is already known. 2023 is already known, but I want to bring to your attention the following schools will represent us at the nationals in Western Uganda. For girls, in third position is Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School. In second position is Reverend Jaboloni Isotke from Kitgum, and the champion is Restore Leadership High School from Amoro District. For boys, we shall have the following who represent us. In third place is Raj Koko from Padel. They have made an appearance and they are going straight to national. I hope they will do what they have been doing here. Second position, of course, is the host. But seat, you people are already in Western Uganda, so you should be clapping for yourself. And the champion, of course, is St. Joseph's College Laibi. These are boys and girls for football. We'll also have representations in netball and volleyball and basketball. In netball, the following schools will represent us in the national competition in Kabale. We have in third place St. Mary's College Lecho from Amoro, YY Okot Memorial from Kitgum, and the champion for netball girls, Archbishop Flynn from Batoro. In volleyball, we will have 2 schools for girls and 2 for boys representing us. For girls, we will have Koro High School, is that the name? From Pade, and Bishop Flip from Pade. Pardon? I beg your pardon, please. Well, I was jumping to another. In girls volleyball, we have Koro from Pade, and we have Acholi, Army. Army. They will be the 2 schools representing us at national. For boys volleyball, we will be represented by St. Mary's College 𝕍𝕠 from Amoro and Archbishop Flame, who are champion this year. Chief guests, basketball, we are not able to bring basketball here because of the court. There is no court here. We will play basketball next weekend, either in the Ubikole, Kaunda grounds, Restore, or Che, where there are courts. We shall choose those places. So without wasting time, I think we need to, I carry my basket, but the basket will move later. Whoever feels the heart of doing what the chief guest has done.
Hi folks, on my right hand side is a subscribe button. Please hit it and subscribe. Then on the left hand side down is the latest videos, and then up is a video recommended for you. Please thank you for watching this channel. Down on the link there is the website www.𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑𝕑